Clinical trials published in the Annals of Rheumatic Disease confirm what orthopedic surgeons witness every day. The anti-inflammatory pill you swallow every single morning after 60 is not protecting your knee joint. It is chemically suppressing the exact prostaglandin signal your joint uses to initiate cartilage repair. You are not managing knee pain. You are silencing the one biological alarm that could still save your joint from irreversible collapse. After 65, your synovial membrane produces 40% less lubricating fluid than it did at 45. Every morning you take an NSAID. You further suppress that fluid production cycle at its most critical window, the first 90 minutes after waking. Orthopedic data confirms this creates microfriction events inside the joint capsule that accelerate cartilage thinning by a measurable 0.3 mm per year. That damage is cumulative and largely irreversible. What surgeons rarely tell you is that chronic knee inflammation after 60 is a systemic signal, not a localized inconvenience. Vascular data proves that sustained joint inflammation elevates C-reactive protein levels, directly stressing coronary arteries and triggering early-stage kidney filtration decline. Johns Hopkins research links untreated synovial inflammation in patients over 65 to a 34% elevated risk of vascular cognitive impairment within 8 years. You are not fixing this with more pills or passive rest. I am counting down 4 precise bio-mimetic steps that reverse synovial collapse and rebuild your joint from the ground up. These steps must be performed in strict biological sequence. Skipping or reordering a single one eliminates the compounding therapeutic effect entirely. The most powerful technique, the one that fundamentally changes your overnight recovery, is deliberately saved for last. Cold water immersion of the knee for 90 seconds immediately after waking triggers reactive hyperemia. Blood rushes back into the joint capsule, delivering oxygen and clearing inflammatory metabolites. A 2021 trial in the Journal of Sports Medicine confirmed a 28% reduction in morning stiffness after 14 days of this alone. Use water between 55 and 60 degrees Fahrenheit. But if you skip the next step, your body cannot absorb what this primer just unlocked. Magnesium glycinate, 400 milligrams taken with water 20 minutes after cold exposure, directly inhibits the NF-κB inflammatory pathway inside cartilage cells. The internet insists turmeric does the same. That is a fatal scientific error. Curcumin bioavailability without phospholipid binding is under 3%. Magnesium glycinate crosses the synovial membrane at 85% efficiency, but without step 2 corrected. This mineral cannot reach the joint therapeutically. Every time you sit with knees bent past 90 degrees, on a low couch, in a car, at a desk, you compress the infrapatellar fat pad, your kneecap's primary shock absorber. Over 60, this pad loses vascularity and cannot fully decompress between compressions. Clinical data shows this error accelerates patellofemoral degradation faster than body weight itself. Correcting your seated angle to 110 degrees is not optional. It is the foundation everything else depends on. The full biological impact of steps 4 through 2 does not occur during the day. It occurs between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m. during deep slow-wave sleep, when your pituitary releases the growth hormone pulse responsible for cartilage matrix synthesis. If cortisol remains elevated at bedtime from pain, postural stress, or magnesium deficiency, that pulse is fully suppressed. Step 1 is specifically engineered to trigger this nocturnal repair window on command every night. 30 minutes before sleep. Perform this sequence. Elevate both legs at 30 degrees on a firm pillow. Apply a castor oil compress over each knee. Then hold a slow isometric quad contraction for 45 seconds. 3 times. Elevation drains inflammatory fluid through lymphatic channels. Castor oil delivers ricinoleic acid transdermally, binding EP3 pain receptors at the capsule. The isometric contraction primes slow twitch fibers to stabilize the joint through the repair cycle. Do not apply heat with the castor oil. Heat accelerates absorption past the therapeutic threshold, causing vasodilation that disrupts the lymphatic drainage you just created. Room temperature only. Run this full protocol for 21 consecutive nights before evaluating results, as cartilage matrix regeneration operates on a strict 3-week biological cycle. If this gave you a clear, actionable path, subscribe now and comment your worst knee symptom below. Every comment is read.